Hello children, yesterday we started with lesson number 9, My School. We learned about the different types of things which we learn in our school. We studied about the different age group and the different school for particular age group. Today we are going to continue with the same lesson. So open textbook page number 52 with me and we will start reading the lesson. Fact and 14th November is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was very fond of children. Therefore, this day is celebrated as Children's Day. So, in this picture, we can see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14th November. He loved children very much. So, his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Every year on 14th November, we celebrate Children's Day, which is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children used to call him Chacha Nehru. So, celebrating together. We celebrate some important days in school. These are Annual Day, Sport Day, Teachers' Day, and Children's Day. The school organizes competition, quiz, and game on this day. The teacher and the children have a lot of fun and enjoy themselves. So, there are many festivals and important days which are celebrated in the school. The most important of them are Annual Day, Sport Day, Teachers' Day, Children Day, and Independence Day and Republic Day. So today we are going to study about some of them. On Sport Day, over here, on Sport Day, we take part in sports event. Then we have many music and dance program on Annual Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. We greet and thank our teacher on this day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year. We also celebrate national festivals like Independence Day on 15th August, Republic Day on 26th January every year. We hoist the national flag and sing national anthem on this day. So these are some special days which are celebrated in all the schools in India. So the days which we celebrate are first Sport Day, then Children's Day, third Teachers' Day, fourth Republic Day, and fifth Independence Day. Sports Day is the day where there are different types of sports organized in the school. Children's Day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We celebrate it on 14th November. Then on 5th September, it is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So we celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan as Teachers' Day. On 26th of January, India became Republic, so we celebrate Republic Day on 26th Jan. And on 15th August, India became independent from British rule, so we celebrate 15th August as Independence Day. Now children, let me tell you that Independence Day and Republic Day are celebrated by all of the Indians because it is the national festival. On this day we hoist the national flag and sing national anthems. It is celebrated with great joy and pomp in all the schools. Exercise time. Question A. Mark a tick for the correct statement and cross for incorrect statement. So we are going to mark a tick for the correct statement and cross for the incorrect statement. First, you should litter the classroom with bits of paper. Wrong. So we have marked a wrong. It is good to share your lunch with classmate. Right. So we have marked a tick. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 4th August. Wrong. Just now we studied that Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September, which is the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. Fourth, we should always wish our teachers. Right. So we have put a tick. Primary school is from class 1 to 5. Right. So we have put a tick in the last box also. Now let's go to page number 53. complete the flow charts. So types of school they have given preschool. So here we are going to write primary, higher primary, secondary and higher secondary. So preschool, then comes primary school, then comes higher primary school, then secondary school and higher secondary school. Now question C. Answer the following question. First one, write any three things you learn in your school. So read, write, sing. Second question, write any four important days you celebrate in your school. So write Children's Day, Teachers' Day, Independence Day and Republic Day. On the same page they have given us activity time. These people help us in school. We must be kind to them. Match them to the things they use. So we are to match the things used by the particular person. So okay, watchman. So watchman uses stick and whistle. So we are going to match the watchman with the stick and whistle. Then gardener uses this water jar to water the plants. Teacher uses chalk and duster. Then librarian he uses this tool and books. Sweeper he uses the broom to sweep. And peon red he uses the this to ring the bell. So these are the different things used by the people